today I'm gonna do my homework. It's tie. I already did this one. I already finished. So much fun that one. Okay, now I'm gonna color first. This one is C. That means paint. This one is P. It's ghost. This one is me. That means bear. B is like letter B. D like hit. This one is D like letter D. We comb. C, right? Saw C. And this one is a nun. Huh? I don't know. I want to color. Okay, let's color it. Color. Nice colors. Stop it! Don't make any noise. Okay. Right there. Oh my God, that's so nice. What color? I don't know what color I'm gonna pick in this painting. Red, my favorite color. Red. Is this red? And I don't know. Okay. No, the banana. No. The Minions new song. No. Right there. Oh, I'm looking so good. Okay, this one could be right here. Right here. 6 years old. Or 6 years old. Oh, I start right here. Right here. So cool. That is so cool. This one is the color. Color. Look at me. Yeah. So fun doing homework. Not fun, I don't know. Okay, I'm doing homework.